Here's the updated 3-month content plan, now incorporating 2 weeks of cyber attacks and their mitigation. Month 1, Cybersecurity Awareness and Introduction to Basic Skills. This month remains focused on cybersecurity awareness, basic skills, and safe practices, but now with an extended focus on cyber attacks and mitigation strategies in the second half of the month. Week 1, Introduction to Cybersecurity and Cyber Hygiene. Day 1, what is cybersecurity? Day 2, why everyone needs cybersecurity awareness. Day 3, top 5 most common cyber threats. Day 4, how to create strong passwords. Day 5, understanding phishing attacks. Day 6, social engineering, how hackers manipulate you. Day 7, protecting your family and kids online. Week 2, cybersecurity tools and best practices. Day 8, introduction to security tools. Day 9, what is a VPN and why you need one. Day 10, understanding firewalls. Day 11, encrypting your data, basics of encryption. Day 12, safe browsing, how to protect your privacy. Day 13, social media safety and privacy. Day 14, how to recognize and avoid scams. Week 3, cyber attacks and mitigation. Part 1, focus this week on explaining specific cyber attacks and their mitigation strategies to give your viewers a deep understanding of how these attacks occur and how they can defend against them. Day 15, introduction to cyber attacks and their impact. Discuss the general landscape of cyber attacks, highlighting how attackers target individuals and organizations, and introduce the concept of defense in depth. Day 16, phishing attacks, how they work and how to avoid them. Explain how phishing attacks work, the different types, for example, spear phishing, whaling, and how users can protect themselves by recognizing phishing emails. Day 17, malware and ransomware, how they infect your devices. Explain what malware and ransomware are, how they spread, and the devastating effects they can have. Discuss basic steps to protect devices, antivirus, regular updates, etc. Day 18, denial of service, DOS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. Dive into how DOS and DDoS attacks overwhelm a system with traffic. Discuss mitigation strategies like traffic filtering, rate limiting, and load balancing. Day 19, man-in-the-middle, MID, attacks. Explain what a man-in-the-middle attack is and how attackers intercept communication between two parties. Discuss encryption and secure connections, SSL/TLS, as defense mechanisms. Day 20, SQL injection attacks. Explain SQL injection, where attackers inject malicious code into a web application's database. Discuss mitigation methods like input validation and using parameterized queries. Day 21, cross-site scripting, XSS, attacks. Discuss XSS, where attackers inject malicious scripts into websites. Introduce basic defense techniques, like sanitizing user inputs and using Content Security Policy, CSP. Week 4, cyber attacks and mitigation. Part 2. This week will continue with more advanced attacks and dive deeper into the mitigation strategies. Day 22, privilege escalation attacks. Explain how attackers gain elevated privileges, for example, from a regular user to an administrator, and discuss mitigation strategies such as least privilege access and secure configurations. Day 23, password cracking and brute force attacks. Discuss how attackers attempt to crack passwords using brute force or dictionary attacks. Mitigation strategies include enforcing strong password policies and using multi-factor authentication. Day 24, zero-day vulnerabilities and patching. Explain what zero-day vulnerabilities are and how they pose a threat. Discuss the importance of patch management and applying security updates. Day 25, rootkits and how to detect them. Discuss rootkits, malicious software that hides in the system, and how to detect and remove them using specialized tools and behavior analysis. Day 26, social engineering attacks, how to protect against them. Dive deeper into social engineering attacks like pretexting, baiting, and quid pro quo. Discuss how to educate staff and individuals to avoid being manipulated. Day 27, advanced persistent threats, APTs. Introduce the concept of APTs, where attackers maintain prolonged access to a system, and explain how organizations can detect and defend against these threats. Day 28, building a security incident response plan. Discuss the steps involved in creating and maintaining an incident response plan. Emphasize the importance of preparedness in mitigating the impact of cyber attacks. Month 2, hands-on skills and introduction to blue/red team tools. The second month will build on the basic knowledge of attacks and mitigation strategies and will focus on hands-on labs, tools, and practical experience in red/blue team operations. Week 5, introduction to blue and red teams. Day 29, what is blue team? Day 30, what is red team? Day 31, blue team tools, overview. Week 6, setting up red and blue team labs. Day 32, Setting up your first Blue Team Lab Day 33, Basic Nmap for Red Team Day 34, Introduction to Metasploit Day 35, Basic Penetration Testing with Kali Linux Day 36, Introduction to Burp Suite for Web Application Testing Week 7, Blue Team and Incident Response Day 37, Understanding Incident Response Day 38, Blue Team Tools, Real-Time Monitoring with Splunk Day 39, Basic Firewall Configuration for Blue Teams Day 40, How to Detect and Respond to a Phishing Attack Week 8, SOC Operations and Threat Hunting Day 41, What is a Security Operations Center, SOC? Day 42, SOC Tools, SIEM, IDS, EDR Day 43, Incident Detection and Response in a SOC Day 44, Real-Time Threat Hunting Month 3, Advanced Labs, CTF Challenges, and SOC Operations. The third month will focus on Advanced Hands-On Labs, Real-World CTF Challenges, SOC Operations, and deep dives into advanced attack simulations and their mitigation. Week 9, Advanced CTF Challenges Day 45, Advanced CTF Challenges, Solving Real-World Scenarios Day 46, Advanced Cryptography and CTF Day 47, Buffer Overflow and Exploit Development Week 10, Blue Team in Action Day 48, Advanced Network Monitoring and Defense Day 49, Log Analysis in Splunk Day 50, Detecting Malicious Activity Using SIEM Tools Week 11, Advanced Incident Response and SOC Operations Day 51, Advanced Incident Response Process Dive into more complex incident response workflows, from detection to remediation. Day 52, Forensics in Cybersecurity. Discuss the importance of forensics during a security incident and introduce forensics tools used by Blue Teams. Day 53, Advanced Threat Hunting Techniques. Teach how to track down elusive threats using advanced techniques and tools in a SOC environment. Week 12, Final Review and Preparing for Certification. Day 54, Review of Cyber Attacks and Mitigation. Recap all the cyber attacks and their mitigation strategies discussed over the past months. Day 55, Preparing for Security Certifications, for example, CompTIA Security Plus, CHE Conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped you get started on your journey to better understand cybersecurity and how to protect yourself online. Over the next 3 months, we'll dive deeper into key topics, from basic security awareness to hands-on labs, red/blue team tools, and real-world attack and defense techniques. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course is designed to help you grow every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.